Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to announce our next online class is available now. Go get it ASAP, because you know what? You're gonna want all of these fun items, and you're gonna wanna take our online class because you know what? We have so much fun. And you know what? It's a different theme type this year, and I'm really excited about this one. It is called Drinks with Friends, and you get these cute little drinks, tropical drinks, these cute little crabs, a little baby crab. Then of course you get the dies that match, which are really exciting, and you get a fun stencil that has a surprise. I'm not going to tell you about the surprise on it. Also, you were getting an exclusive fold-it die that is a shell. It is going to be so much fun. We always like to do some fun different techniques and fun different things, and we get to get together and we get to craft together. You'll have your products and I'll have my products, and we'll actually do this live online. Now, if you can't make the live class, don't worry. This is going to be recorded and you'll be able to see it as many times as you want once it's in your account. So go get the Drinks with Friends class. You're going to love it, and you know what? Our classes have been selling out, so go get it quick. And of course, club members, you get your club discount. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.